Hey. Hey. I'm Slappy Monkey. This is not a ratchet channel, Brittany. It's not one of your ratchet outlets. Welcome back. It is me, Pineapple Vegan. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that red button and subscribe to my channel. Did you do it? Okay. Anyways, so y'all, today I am making Cajun pasta. Not just any regular Cajun pasta, you guys. I'm making chicken and shrimp Cajun pasta. You heard me right. The chicken we are using is Imitation Vegan Bites. I got this from Plants Lead Our Way. It is a website by an amazing company, and I love what they stand for and what they represent. They have so many vegan meat alternatives, and I really can't wait to try this. And I'm also going to be using their shrimp. I don't know. PlantsLeadOurWay.com. The website is up now. Type it in or click on the little link that I have down below and get your order started, y'all. I can't wait. I'm gonna do my veggies first because I want the flavors of that in here. You get what I'm saying? I want the flavors of the veggies and stuff that I use for the veggies in my meat. Okay? Let me go ahead and drizzle. I'm gonna drizzle some olive oil into my pan. My pan is already hot, and this is already hot, so I'm gonna add yellow sweet onion, orange peppers, and green bell peppers. And then I'm gonna get some minced garlic. I'm almost out, y'all. I'm almost out.
I do it too. You hate it.
Y'all. These prawns, they don't stink like fish, but they have a shrimp smell, but it doesn't smell stink. You know how some fish stink? So for this, you also will need obviously your vegan cheese sauce. I already made my vegan cheese sauce, and if you want to know how to make that, look at the video that I made before this. And y'all, my cheese sauce is to die for. It's so good. I'm not even exaggerating. I'm not just saying that because it's mine. Ooh, story time. So if you watched my cheese sauce video, you guys saw my piggy slippers. Right, you saw the piggy slippers, right? Guess what I got on now? I got on my kitty cat slippers. Look at these slippers. Oh my God, y'all. Y'all, they are so cute. And I got some more. But if you want some for yourself, I'll leave the link in the description box below, because I got you. I got you. Your girl got you.
Represent.
Ooh. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just take these sauteed veggies and put them in a bowl. Obviously, some of them will linger. I want that. So don't stress if you don't get it all out. I usually cut these in slices, but I don't know why I diced them this time, but it's cool. So what I'm gonna do is put the chicken in. I'm gonna add a tiny bit more olive oil, and we're just gonna move it around. So I don't want it to cook through yet. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my spices because I don't want it to cook through. I want my spices to get in there. Bro, let me cut up to smaller pieces since I am making like a pasta, so it's not super chunky pieces. So what I'm gonna do is add some Cajun seasoning, and then we're just gonna add a little bit of garlic salt. Now I'm gonna add some black pepper. Y'all, I can't wait. I gotta taste a piece of this. Now, I don't know, dog. I don't know what to think right now. It's really good. So that is there. So now for my shrimp. Y'all, I'm really stressed out about this shrimp. This is crazy. This is crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the oil to my pan. Okay, y'all, so my oil has heated through in here, but I'm gonna go ahead and add some more garlic to the pan. I want the shrimp to be really garlicky. Ooh. And then I'm just gonna take the shrimp and add it to my pan. Now this is gonna be a little different. I'm gonna just lay them. Y'all, what? Oh my God. Now these don't need to cook that long because they're very similar to shrimp. So I'm just gonna add the remaining Creole seasoning to these. The remaining garlic salt, even though I just added garlic. And then what I'm gonna do is just roll a lemon in my hands to release the juices. And I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this lemon. Remove some of the seeds if you can, and just squeeze it over top. Cracked black pepper. And I have my pasta going, so it'll be done. This is a really quick meal. Since I already did my cheese sauce in advance, this is extremely fast. Like, it doesn't take much. I seriously can't wait. Actually, I'm gonna cut these too. Oh my God, the texture is freakishly similar. This is insane, y'all. So now that the shrimp has cooked really well, I'm gonna add the chicken back into here. And I'm gonna add my peppers back. My onions and peppers. Yeah! So at this point, we're just combining all the flavors with each other. I want all of them to cook together. I want all those flavors to marinate together. They gotta get married. These flavors gotta get married. Ain't no shacking up flavors. You gotta get married. Oh, it smells so good. Good, good, good. Let me add some more pepper. Because I can barely see my pepper. Some more Cajun seasoning. I'm gonna add some sugar, vegan sugar. That means it's animal bone char free. Then I'm gonna squeeze some more lemon juice. Lemon rain. Oh, lemon rain, lemon rain. Oh, lemon rain. If you have kids, you know where I got that melody from. If you don't know where I got it from, don't worry about it. I'm just joking. Oh my gosh. And just so you guys know, you don't have to cook it this long. It's not meat. You don't have to cook it this long. I just want that Cajun look. Like, you see how the shrimp has like the burn marks on it? You know, that's what I want. So, at this point, it's time to add our pasta. I already made the pasta, as you can see. I'm just gonna add it to the pan. I kept a little bit of the water from the pasta in the pan. And now I'm gonna add my shrimp and my chicken. I'm just gonna put it in there. Mix it up a little bit. And guess what we're gonna do now? Add our cheese. Look at that cheese sauce. Just gonna pour it over. Okay, you guys, so at this point, you can garnish it whatever you want. Whatever you want.
Child, that's garnishment to make your food look good.
And there you have it, you guys. So let me go ahead and get it plated up and test it out for you guys to see how it tastes. I'll be back. Okay, you guys, so this is my son, Richard. And he's gonna be our taste tester today. I know normally I do it, but I want you guys to see his actual reaction, okay? Looks good. It's hot.
This is amazing.
It is.
This is good.
You like it, baby?
This is good.
You okay?
That's good.
It is. What about the vegan chicken?
Also
Good?
bomb.
Also bomb. You want to taste a piece of the shrimp? You like it, baby? Alright, you guys, and if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up like he said. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And if you make this lovely, lovely meal right here, go ahead and tag us in it. Post it on Instagram, my Facebook, tag me in it. I want to know what you guys thought. And to get these items, you know, like I voiced earlier, just visit plantsleadourway.com. You guys can get the chicken, the imitation chicken, and the prawns that I used today. But my husband's mowing the grass, so we're gonna go ahead and sign off. Thanks, you guys, and until next time, see you later. Bye.